In front of me is Black Shark 5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. You need to start by choosing Tools folder. Now click on Sound Recorder app, it should be over here somewhere, and tap on this red button. As you can see, recording is now on. If you wish to pause it or unpause it, click on the same middle button. In order to add a bookmark, click on this left one, and if you wish to end it and save it, click on the right one. Now name your recording however you wish to, and tap on OK, or choose Delete and get rid of it right away. I will go with just some gibberish and click on OK to save mine. Now click on the same right button to access list of all your recordings. Then click on Settings, click on Use this folder, tap on Allow, and as you can see my recording is over here. In order to play it, click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to go back, hold it and select this delete icon at the bottom right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!